Hello everybody, got a quick video here to show you the basic stuff you need to get your kitchen up and running, fully operational, get you cooking on your own. Got it all laid out on the counter here. I'll show you what I got. First off, big old pan. You're gonna need it. Cooks your meats, fries your veggies. Does so much. This thing's versatile. It's a breakfast in one tool. Next, pan. Pan. This isn't a pan, this is a pot. Strainer, lid. So many different meals require these two basic things. Go out, grab yourself one. You will not regret it if you get yourself a decent one. But any old one will do the trick. Next, cutting board, big knife. You want your cutting board nice and strong, nice and sturdy, because you're going to be using a knife on it. Nice, big, strong knife. This will get you really far. Cutting board lives on the counter. Knife right here, accessible, along with a lot of other tools that I think I would recommend you pick up yourself. This guy right here, this wooden guy, he's a stable, I think he's made out of bamboo. Super, super helpful guy. I can't express how much I use this unless you start watching the videos and see how much I use this. 10 out of 10, would recommend. The only place he fails is where the spatula will succeed. Grab yourself one of those and you're pretty much pan covered. But a couple specialty things that I've got here that also live down there. Got a cheese knife, these nice little holes. Allow the cheese to fall right off while you're cutting it. Steak knife, cuts up my meats, all down there. Potato masher, 8 out of 10, probably 9 out of 10 would recommend. And then a garlic crusher. It's a 50-50 game. If you're a garlic person, get yourself a garlic crusher. Easy to grab, right there when I need it while I'm cooking. Boom, boom, in the pan, gone, cooking. When it's done cooking, you need a plate, maybe a bowl, something to put it in. When it comes to buying plates and bowls, I think about how many people I'm going to be serving. When it comes to me and my place, I can only fit about 4 people at the table, so 4 plates, plenty for me. Cups, bowls, same story. Same story when it comes to cutlery too. Fork, spoon, knife. Basic set. I got myself 5 sets instead of 4, just to have a nice little barrier in case I tend to use one for cooking or something like that. Couple of last tools that you're gonna need. Can opener, scissors. These guys, pretty self-explanatory. They'll save you some time. They're safe. They do the trick. They do the job that they're meant to do. Those go down with the rest of the cutlery down there. Something else that's a little bit overlooked sometimes by me when I'm thinking about this kind of stuff. Something to clean up after with. Got some soap, a sponge, maybe a little scrub brush, and then drying rack. A little towel underneath, or throw it in the sink once you've done. If you got 2 sinks, you're golden. You can do so much more. You got so much more space. But really, that's all you need. Quick, basic, easy stuff. You can go down right now, go to the thrift shop, get yourself a set for maybe 50 bucks if you're getting some fancy stuff. But that little investment will get you on your way to saving tons and tons of money. And not only does cooking your own food save you lots of money, but it gets you on track to getting in tune with your body and what you put into it. And so I think with the help of a bunch of all these other YouTube channels, all these cooking channels, and a bunch of little practice tips and tricks, we can get on our way to leading healthy, delicious lives that fill us with nutrition and all the good stuff from all our own home-cooked meals that we can feel good about and get on our way to really enjoying the things we like to enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Any feedback is always really helpful. Hope you're having a great day. If not, make it a great day. Today's the day. Thank you so much.